Hey everybody, and welcome back here on Froggo's Creator Academy. In this video, as promised, we will be going over and looking at the StreamLabs Mobile App, which actually just got an update. So if you come into Google Play Store, you can find it here and go ahead and click that install button. Now this thing is 100% safe to log into your accounts with, guys. StreamLabs is a very trusted platform, and you do not have to worry about them hacking into your accounts unless, of course, your phone is already hacked. So, and that won't be them, it'll be somebody else. So let's go ahead and open up this app. Now they just did a beautiful makeover on this app, so that is all good. Now I stream on Twitch, but this is the screen that you will see when you first get here. So I'm going to go ahead and select Twitch, which is where I stream, and we'll come into the login screen, and I'll use my fingerprint. Alright guys, so this is the screen that you will see after you log into your Twitch or YouTube account. It's basically asking you to authorize this so that they can change and edit stuff and whatnot. As I said, StreamLabs is 100% safe, so go ahead and hit that authorize button and you're good to go. Now on the left hand side is what bloggers and some in real life stuff do, and then you have gamers on the right hand side where we want to record our screen. Now this is just basic settings. It doesn't actually do anything besides set up a basic setup, which you can easily change in settings. So just hit the screen one. You'll need to enable your camera and your microphone so that StreamLabs can access it. And this is all new. This is really cool stuff. So you have the chat button down here on the top, on the bottom left. On the bottom right hand side, you have the events, like who subscribed to your channel and whatnot. And both of these are only visible to you. So your viewers will not see these items when you're streaming. If you want them to see the chat log on the video, you'll have to set up an editor, which we'll look at here in a little bit. And in the top right hand corner over here is the menu. So I can't hit start now because then my Android phone will stop recording. So we're going to hit cancel. This is join Prime. It's kind of expensive, not going to lie, but it might be worth it once you start getting monetized. Until then, it's really not worth it. So this is what it will look like when you first start in here. And as I said, you have your chat window, you have your flipping your selfie cam, and here is your event list. You can see that's the last 2 people who subscribed or followed to me on Twitch, so that's good. You can also mute your microphone here as well, and we'll hit the go live button in a little bit. So if we go up to the menu, and you'll see it here, we actually want to just go to advanced settings because it's going to open up more stuff. If there's one thing I highly suggest you get fluent with using is the editor. The editor is the main benefit of this app and the thing you really want to focus on. So when you first come in here, you'll see that it has the screen recording on the back, on the outside, and then an alert box. Now you can easily change the stuff out wherever you want it to. But yeah, the alert box is just who subscribes to you, who follows, all that other stuff. And you can set up more options for that box through the StreamLabs website, which will be in another video. So this is the screen recording on the background there. Now if you go up to the menu in the top right here, you'll see which ones you currently have on, and you can put more. So there's a screen. You can add in the selfie camera, which always comes up full for some reason. Oh, it didn't come up at all that time. There we go. Now we have the selfie camera, and we're just going to make it small. It always comes up big, and it is what it is. So there we go. Now we have the screen, the alert box, and the camera. This is what most people will use. However, you can add in an image, like a logo for your channel and whatnot. The only thing is you can also do your overlays if you have like a custom overlay. But the custom overlays, I've had a few problems with them already. They tend to like disappear on you, or they cover up because they're not actually transparencies sometimes for some reason. I don't know, maybe it's something they're still working on. You can add text, but the biggest thing in here in the editor that you want to focus on, besides adding the selfie cam and the screen, is the widgets. Now Streamlabs has some beautiful widgets which you can add in here, but you have to go to the Streamlabs website to change and modify those widgets, which I will show you in another video, along with the alerts. So here you have like donation goals, donation tickers, chat box, event list, jars, viewer count. I would highly encourage you to put your viewer count on your videos. You obviously don't have to, but I do. I just like it. You also have follower goals. So if you're streaming to Twitch or YouTube, you could do subscriber count or followers for Twitch. Very, very nice things to have on your stream. It kind of helps people to know what your current goal is. So that is a very good thing to have. And if you ever get sponsors, you can put a sponsor banner up there as well. One thing I will say before we move on is that when you set up for your screen to be on your Streamlabs here, the screen itself will sometimes bug out and not actually show the screen. And that's related to the privacy settings of Android that you can't change. So just go back into the editor, delete the screen, and put the screen back up, and you'll get the request to go ahead and stream your screen, and you'll hit OK. So that's something you really want to focus on. Back inside here, we're going to go ahead and go to account settings, and you'll see that I'm signed in for Twitch and YouTube. I do not do Facebook, guys, so if you stream to Facebook, I'm sure there's another content creator out there who talks about Facebook gaming, but I do not do it, so I cannot help you with that. Twitch and YouTube is the only ones I go to. Next, if you come over here and disconnect protection, you want to turn that on. I haven't really noticed anything because I don't really have to worry about that with my internet connection, so I don't really know the full benefit of using it or not. Over here for the alerts, like I said earlier, just turn all of these on. You might not have all of these features, but it's not taking anything from you to do this. And then if we open back up here, it kind of closes sometimes. We also want to go to, so you have simple mode, but you also have remote control. So if you are streaming through your phone and you have like a tablet or another phone you can use, you can install this Streamlabs deck, and you can use that other phone or another tablet as a streaming deck, so that you can do transitions and slides, and you just have so many options. I haven't really used that one yet because I don't have a compatible phone that can use it, but I'm looking at getting another phone so that I can just use it for the remote control and see how that impacts the stream at all. Alright guys, so now that you are gotten all that done, and oops, I hit the wrong button, go back into settings here. There you go. Go back to stream settings, and all of these items, the audio, the video, I would leave all of these the same. I wouldn't change none of these items. You can if you know what you're doing, but it's optimized already. But you want to activate draw on top. This is important to do. So activate that. And the watermark, you can move the watermark wherever you want, but as a free service for using such an awesome platform to stream from, try not to put it somewhere where it's going to get covered up all the way. Go ahead and support Streamlabs by showing that icon, guys, because that is a beautiful service they're offering us. So once we get out of here, we're going to hit cancel again. It'll take a little bit for everything to pop back up, and there we go. go ahead and hit Go Live. Go Live will have where you can select which platform of your signed in accounts you can stream to. And there's also the ability to multi-stream to 2 platforms. Now, I can't do it myself. I always get stuck right here. Even on the old app before the update, I was unable to multi-stream. I would always get some type of authentication error for one of the accounts. And really, it's not that big of a deal, but it would be nice because when you can multi-stream, it's easier to get people from your YouTube channel to check out your Twitch, and people from your Twitch to check out your YouTube channel. It is very nice, but it's okay. It is what it is. Alright guys, so yeah, that's that. If you're on iOS device, you have to open up StreamLabs app, just like this, and you have to go to your system tray, and in there you should have your record or screen record button, and you'll have to long press that and set it to stream to Streamlabs. Start the stream and then open up your game, but you have to start your stream while Streamlabs is open. This is not first-hand knowledge, it's just from other people that I've talked to that use iOS devices. But yeah, if you guys like this content, or if you want to see some more stuff of it, or if you have any comments and suggestions, don't be afraid to leave them down in the comments below. And if you want to see more videos like this, please do hit the subscribe button. That lets me know I'm not wasting my time in sharing with you guys. Bye bye.